see 5-minute inversion and you take your first trade. Now you look for another obvious run on liquidity, and if you see a fair value gap that gets inversed, you basically just take your entry on the reclaim of the fair value gap. In other words, it's called inverse fair value gap. You take your entry and you can ping pong like that. Now, how do you trade this during New York session? How do you trade gold during New York session? Same applies, same rules apply, okay? So let's say this is the 9:30 open. So we have to look for this setup after 9:30 a.m. New York time. Now, what we want to see is an obvious run on liquidity after 9:30 open. And let's say we see this big push, right, that leaves behind fair value gaps, right? That sweeps out liquidity, some form of high or low or equal lows and equal highs. Now, what you simply want to do is mark out a fair value gap or fair value gaps from this dealing range high to this dealing range low. As simple as that, guys. I'm not making this up. I'm gonna show you guys examples, and you have to go back test, and you will see what I am talking about. I'm giving you the holy grail for gold. Now, after 9:30, when we have a sweep, we wait for price to inverse back above it, right? And we take our entry, we go for 1 to 2. As simple as that, guys. Literally the most mechanical gold model that you can trade on the 1 minute and also on the 5-minute time frame. Now that we know everything about the model, I'm going to give you guys examples